Today we're going to be looking at how to multiply rational expressions. So we already saw how to simplify. Multiplying is really kind of the exact same thing. It's just instead of factoring and canceling with one fraction, you have to do it with two fractions. So this is a two-day topic. First, we will look at day one, multiplying rational expressions. Okay, so steps are the same. Factor, if necessary, cancel, and then multiply everything back together. So for number one, we have 4ac cubed over 5k times k cubed to the fifth power over 8c to the seventh. Okay, so multiplication in between them. So I'm going to factor all of these, all the numerators, all the denominators. So 4ac cubed, that's 2 times 2 times a times c times c times c over 5 times k. And then I have k cubed to the fifth, so it's k cubed times k cubed times k cubed times k cubed times k cubed over 8c to the seventh. So 8, that's 2 times 2 times 2. And then C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I do have a bunch of k cubes up here. There's 5 of them. Each of these are k times k times k. So I need to change these so that I have them all laid out. So I have 15 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, now I'm going to start canceling factors that they have in common. Now, since all of this is multiplied together, you can imagine that all of this is a single numerator, and all of this is a single denominator. So it doesn't matter which one you're in, so long as it cancels. So for instance, this 2 can cancel with this 2, okay, and this 2 can cancel with this 2, and this C can cancel with this C, this one can cancel with this one, and this one can cancel with this one. Same thing with this K can cancel with this K over here. So what we're left with in the numerator, we have an A, and we have all of these K's, should be 14 of them because we only canceled one of them. So in the numerator, I have A times K to the 14th power. In the denominator, I have a 5, I have a 2, and I have 4 C's. Okay, so what I have left here is I have 5 times 2, which is 10, C to the 4th. And that would be my simplified expression, and that's the value of these multiplied together. Take a look at number 2. We have 2x over 2x minus 8 times x squared minus 16 over 10x. Once again, just need to factor everything. So 2x, that's 2 times x. 2x minus 8, I can factor out a 2, and I'll be left with x minus 4, times x squared minus 16, that's a difference of 2 squares, so that's x plus 4 times x minus 4. 10x, that would be 5 times 2 times x. Okay, so like I said, you can consider all of this as factors of the numerator and all of this as factors of the denominator, and we just need to cancel out factors that occur in the top and bottom. So x minus 4 cancels, 2 is a factor, that cancels, x is a factor, that cancels, and all we're left with in the numerator is x plus 4, in the denominator is a 2 and a 5, so 10. So this is our simplified expression, x plus 4 over 10. All right, so the workbook problems we're doing for the homework, 107, 8, 9, and 10.